Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of June. We will see your person's energy towards you and what can you expect for next month, what's gonna happen. So let's see. Gemini's person's energy towards Gemini's. Okay, someone is walking away here. I feel one of you wanted to fix this situation, wanted to fix this relationship, but someone is walking away because the other person didn't cooperate. Someone is alone here, waiting for the other person to give it a chance. Like there were fights, there were dramas, but what I'm getting from here now is that the other person didn't cooperate, and then this is why someone is walking away. This could be your person, Gemini, or it could be your energy, but I'm reading from your person's perspective, so just go with the flow. You can switch the energy as per your situation. So your person is walking away. Your person feels it could be possible that your person didn't cooperate with you, or you didn't cooperate to fix the situation. Could be dealing with someone whom you met at a school, college, or at your workplace. Could be a third party situation as well. I'm getting a child here. Let's see what it has to do with it. Okay. This is a breakup, Gemini. They feel that you are a disaster or things have fallen apart with you. Could be a third party situation. This person feels that you are juggling between you and someone else, or between two situations. Like you are indecisive, but this is a breakup, and now you are in your player like energy. Like this were like you are very good looking, charming. You have that vibe that people get attracted towards you. You could be traveling somewhere, but your person feels that your person has that passion for you, and your person feels that you have that passion for your person as well. But this person feels that you are moving on and you have other options, like you are dealing with others. This person feels the distance between you guys could be physical or emotional distance. This person wants to travel towards you, Gemini. Someone could be blocked here, or someone could be acting very defensive. Someone did not fight for this connection, I'm getting here. Yes, this person wants you. This person is interested in you, but this person just want to think from their head. And if this person is having a child, this person want to choose their child, and something related to child here. Anyways, this person could be someone who is very good at their work. Like whatever they do, they are very good at that thing. Could be their job could involve traveling, but I'm getting that this person wants to talk to you. This person wants to travel towards you. At the same time, this person is acting very defensive. This person is thinking about you, yet they feel that they cannot take any action towards you. Like this person is very protective of their heart. At the same time, this person, it could also be possible for some of you, not for all, that your person did not take action towards you even if they want to, because of a child. Your person also feels that you are their happiness, and yes, this person wants to heal this relationship. This person feels that this person wants your attention. This person feels that you are having a lot of responsibilities right now, or you are getting attention from many people, like you are very successful whatever you are doing. At the same time, they find your energy very healing, Gemini. So this person also feels that they should just focus on their own stability and growth. They should guard their feelings and move on in their life. At the same time, they want to travel towards you. Yes, this person feels betrayed. This person is going through some pain of ending. Like things have ended between you guys, and this person is in pain. This person loves you. I'm again getting a child here. If Now this is not for all, but I'm getting that this ending is because of someone's wife or someone's kid, like something like that. This person wanted a family with you as well, Gemini. That's what I'm getting here. Yes, this person wanted to have a new start with you. This person has that passion for you, but someone had a baggage in this relationship, and this has to change for this relationship. Like, this situation has to change to bring a change in this relationship. But this person is feeling very hurt, Gemini. This person just wants to stay closed off from you. They just want to turn their back from this relationship. I don't feel any communication is going on here. Even if there is a communication, or there will be a communication, it will be very passionate, and I don't see those emotions. This person has love for you. This person is trying to view this situation with a different perspective, but this person feels a distance between you guys. This person feels that it's over, yet they feel that this person loves you, and they did not confess their true feelings to you. In their intentions, they want to show you with the actions that they love you. At the same time, they don't want to say it. They don't want to confess it that they love you. But this person loves you, Gemini. Expect some change in this relationship though. I'm seeing passion here and forward movement. So what activities in this person? Yes, we have a Sun card here. This person will give you some clarity about their wife or their husband, their child. I also feel, Gemini, that you are going to be very happy because this person will make you happy. You are waiting for this person and they will come back. They will try to nurture this connection. They will try to give you what you deserve. They will try to give you that stability, Gemini. Yes, someone was waiting for a communication, and now you will receive that communication. I'm getting a child here, Gemini. If you were waiting for this person to accept your child, to give your child their name, that's what I'm getting here. This is going to happen. You are going to be very happy. Yes, 10 of Pentacles here. This is a family situation, so just apply it to your situation, because what I'm getting from here is, if you were waiting for this person to talk to you, this is going to happen. I'm getting, if the child is yours, this person will come back to you, Gemini. This person will definitely come back to you if the child is yours. For others of you who are not married or having a child with this person, I'm getting that this person will make you very happy, because this person will come back to you. Maybe this person was very self-centered in the past, or they were stuck in a third-party situation with their wife or their child. But what I'm getting from here is, now you will receive a communication from this person, and you were waiting for this communication. So just apply it to your situation. Yes, I'm seeing a union here, Gemini. I'm seeing a union here. I'm seeing a third party here. I'm seeing obsession here. So this person, yes, but Ace of Wands, this will start again. Expect some passion here, but for now, expect communication. Definitely you will receive a text from this person, Gemini. So let's get messages from this person. Okay, so we have, I like to make you feel jealous because it gives me assurance that you are still holding on to me. You are my world. Whatever I do, wherever I go, you are always on the back of my mind. I told you this person is obsessed with you. This person cannot get rid of your energy, even if she want to. Yes, I should have confessed my true feelings to you. I told you this person did not confess their true feelings. So this was your reading, Gemini. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye and take care.